Hi guys! So today we're gonna play with slime. Mine's the blue one.
Mine is this one.
The orange one.
So it's clear when you stretch it.
Okay, I got a little toy. I don't know what it is.
It's so stretchy. So soft. I love squishing the slime.
It's clear. Should we try the next one? I think we should try the next one. It's good. The texture's good, but it's a little rubbery.
Yeah.
Not easy to stretch.
But I still give it a nice rating. Like a 10.
That was a good part.
Yeah. Nice part.
So which one should we do next? The galaxies or these ones? I'll do my milk. Slime. Blueberry.
Clear slime. Yeah, I will break. So I would. But someone was stuck on the roof of it, like the cat.
So chicken. Okay, this one's better.
But so clear.
It's so stretchy. Oh no. Okay. It's supposed to be water slide. Oh, better texture, softer. Not that easy to stretch, but better than the last one. You want to try mine? I'll try yours.
Sure. Was this better than mine? Good.
Very nice. Okay.
It smells so nice.
You smell it.
It
Smells like. Oh no. Oh, it's just that. Okay. Okay, now let's try the galaxy one.
Where's mine?
Close. Okay. The galaxy. Yeah! Oh no! Okay.
I got my galaxy slime.
Oh, there's
this is
plastic.
yours. Yeah.
Okay.
Mine doesn't.
Oh no. Mom, I need a little help. Boyka, help me pull out the plastic. Can't pull out the plastic.
Wait, okay, let me do it.
You turn around. Oh, that will be.
But
There's plastic.
just take it all out. And then try it and take all the slime out, okay?
Okay.
Still need help?
No, I'm good.
My feet is it.
Okay, so we're gonna leave the plastic there.
Good.
So pretty, I don't want to ruin it, but I have to. Okay, Boyka, let's take it out.
Yeah.
Very sticky.
Mine is not sticky.
Oh, no.
Oh, you need help to take it.
Okay.
Oh,
That's
no.
it. Ah! It turned to this orange shiny color.
Mine is dark
Galaxy.
purple color.
Oh, there's glitters. Okay.
Look.
I need to get the glitters out. I can't get the glitters out.
Can I have some of your slime?
No.
I'm having it from here. Yay, I have some.
Okay, let's do a stretch test. It's rubbery. Nice texture though. Which one's your favorite?
Probably this one. The
Same.
galaxy.
I like the galaxy. That's good. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
So bye.
Bye bye.